The Magic of Light, The Story of Spectacles. MD, Alia Had, General Secretary, Bangladesh Academy of Optometry Bo. Our eyes are like two little magicians. They color the world with wonder. But sometimes, due to age or other reasons, their magical power fades a little. What happens then? The letters in a book start to dance, and distant objects appear like watercolor paintings. Long ago, when people faced vision problems, there were no solutions in their hands. Around 2,000 years ago, the Roman philosopher Seneca noticed something fascinating. If you looked through a glass bowl filled with water, the tiny letters appeared larger. That was the first clue to the invention of spectacles. The magical reading stone, then, came the real breakthrough. In the 11th century, scholars and monks began using a special object called the reading stone. It was a semi-spherical piece of crystal or glass that acted like a magnifying lens. When placed over text, it made the letters larger and clearer. Imagine it was as if time itself had given back the power of sight. The brilliant invention from Italy. But holding that stone all the time was quite inconvenient. In the late 13th century, in Italy, probably Venice or Pisa, a clever idea was born. An unknown inventor, possibly a skilled glassmaker, joined two lens-like reading stones together within a frame that could rest on the nose. And thus, the first form of modern spectacles was born. These early glasses were known as pince-nez, meaning pinched nose, since they stayed in place by gripping the nose. Kepler's revelation. But just making lenses wasn't enough. Why did they work? The secret lay in the magical science of refraction. The 16th century scientist Johannes Kepler was the first to explain how lenses function scientifically. He discovered that when light travels from one medium like air into another, like glass, it bends a phenomenon known as refraction. The lenses in our glasses bend light in such a way that it focuses precisely on the retina, giving us a sharp, clear image. The birth of modern eyeglasses. Early spectacles sat on the nose, but they often slipped off. Finally, in 1730, an English optician named Edward Scarlett added two sidearms, known as temple arms, that rested on the ears, giving rise to the comfortable, modern design we still use today. Today, spectacles do much more than correct vision. They express our identity and style. Every pair of glasses carries with it a fascinating tale of ancient ingenuity, optical science, and centuries of innovation.